This is a 2009 BMW 528, a great fit and finish. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a moonroof, adaptive brake lights, a low tire pressure indicator, and alloy wheels. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, wood trim interior accents, fog lamps, stability control, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, and this vehicle has fewer than 69,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Not to mention that this BMW qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.